Now we will discuss about data definition language statements create, drop, truncate. Data definition language, DDL. A database is a collection of many tables, and a database server can hold many of these databases. Database server, then databases, then tables, defined by columns, then rows. Databases and tables are referred to as database objects. Any operation, such as creating, modifying, or deleting database objects, is called data definition language, DDL. DDL commands are used to create a new schema as well as to modify an existing schema. The typical commands available in DDL are create, alter, drop, truncate, rename. Let's discuss about create command. Creating database. The create database statement is used to create a new SQL database. Syntax is: the semicolon character is a SQL statement terminator. We will create a database called customer_info. Syntax is: use show databases to check if the database customer_info has been created. The database customer_info is now created. Default system databases. Once you create the database, use the following command to leverage that database. For example, we have created the database customer_info. To utilize the database, we run the following query. Now we will learn about drop and truncate command. Let's discuss about dropping database. The drop database statement is used to drop an existing SQL database. Syntax. The following SQL statement drops the existing database customer_info. Use show databases to check if the database company has been dropped. We see the database customer_info does not exist. Let's discuss about dropping table. The drop table statement is used to drop an existing table in a database. The following SQL statement drops the existing table information. Note: be careful before dropping a table. Deleting a table will result in loss of complete information stored in the table. Let's discuss about deleting data from table. The truncate table statement is used to delete the data inside a table, but not the table itself. Syntax.